Welcome back to Maths Academy. Today we are diving into a powerful Vedic math technique for finding a square root of any number using the sutra Dwandwa Yogaha, also known as Duplex Method. Before we jump into the examples, you need to understand the duplex, which is represented with a D. This is the engine of our calculation. Depending on the number of digits, here is how you calculate the duplex. For example, if you have a single digit, then we calculate the duplex by squaring that number. If you need to calculate a duplex of 3, square that number, you will get 9. Okay, like that, if there are two digits, the formula is 2ab. So, here the example, you have to double the product of these numbers. You will get 24. Likewise, if you are finding duplex of 3 digits, formula is 2 times AC plus the b square. Okay, so 2 times 3 into 1 is 6 plus 2 square is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Next, for 4 digits, 2 times AD plus 2 times BC. You have to sum up those. So 2 times 4 into 1 is 8 plus 2 times 12, right? So you will get 20. Now let's see the sutra in action with the number 3969. Here you have to find out the square root of 3969. So the duplex of single digit, double digit, everything is displayed here for your reference. So the very first step we have to do is grouping, right? We have to group these numbers from right to left, make a group of two digits together. I have two groups here. So for each group, you will get one root digit. If you are having four digits as a square number, then your root is always two digits. Okay. After grouping, in my first group, I have the number 39. Near the number 39, which is the square number? That is 36. So root of 36 is 6. Okay. So write down this 6 here. I got my first root number. Next step is you have to double this root number. If I double the root number, I will get 12. Okay. Now 12 is your divisor. Next, subtract the square number from 39. 39 minus 36 is 3. That remainder you have to write at the left foot of next digit. Now your new dividend is 36. Here, now you have to divide 36 by your divisor 12. So 36 divided by 12, you will get quotient as 3 and remainder as 0. So quotient you have to write here, okay, and the remainder always write at the left foot of the next number. So here 0 is the remainder, no need to write. Next, you have to take a duplex of 3. So duplex of 3 is the single digit duplex 9. So 9 minus 9, 0. The answer is exactly 63. That means the number 3969 is a perfect square. Now let's level up to 6-digit number. If we make a group of two digits together, we'll get three groups here. Three groups means the square root will be in 3 digits. So in the first group, I have the number 27. Near 27, 25 is the root number. So my first root digit is 5 here. Next, take away 25 from 27. The difference is 2. We have to write that difference at the left foot of next digit, and we have to double the root digit, that is 10, which is our new divisor for throughout the calculation. Now the next step, our dividend is 21, divide this by 10. Now we will get quotient as 2 and remainder as 1. quotient digit will become our next answer digit, and remainder goes to the left foot of next dividend digit, that is 4. Okay, now 14 becomes our new dividend. Now you can't directly divide 14 by 10. Before that, you have to take a duplex of second root digit and subtract it from 14. Okay, so 14 minus duplex of 2 is 4, that is 10. Now divide 10 by 10. Now you will get the quotient 1 and remainder 0. Okay, now we got 3 digits. Okay, for 3 groups we received 3 digits. Here, if the last digit is 1, square of 1 is 1. The units digit matches with the last digit. That means this number is a perfect square. You can stop your calculation here only. But to show you how to calculate further, we'll continue the procedure. So next dividend digit will be 4. So duplex of 2 and 1. We are taking duplex of 2 and 1. That is 4. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. So quotient is 0 and again remainder is 0. After 3 digits, you have to put the decimal point over there and continue calculating. Okay. Now our dividend becomes 1 and you have to take a duplex of 3 digits. 210. Duplex of 3 digits is again 1. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. What if the number is not a perfect square? Let's take a square root of 32. So we'll make a group from left to right. We have 2 digits means only one group. So near 32, the square number is 25. So root is 5. If we double the root, we'll get 10. 32 minus 25 is 7. So put that difference at the left foot of next 0. So here you are asked to get the answer in 3 decimal places. So I'm continuing the same procedure. Now you have to divide 70 by 10. Okay, actually 70 by 10 you will get quotient 7, but for further subtraction I'm taking 1 minus from the quotient digit. So I'll taking quotient as a 6, so remainder becomes 10. So write 10 to the next left foot of 0. Now 100 minus duplex of 6. 100 minus duplex of 6 is 36. That is 64. Now divide 64 by 10. So my quotient is 5 and my remainder is 14. Now my next dividend is 140. 140 minus duplex of 6 and 5. So remember, whatever first answer digit is there, you should leave that digit and take the next digit for duplex calculation. That's why to distinguish those, I have written 5 in different color. Okay. Now 140 minus duplex of 6 and 5 is 60. So you will get 80. Now divide 80 by 10. Now quotient is 7 and remainder is 2. Yes, I have reached 3 digits. So I will stop my calculation here. Finally, we'll look at how to get the square root of decimal number, that is 13.87. In this case, you have to start making group only on whole number. So my whole number is 13. So here near the 13, the square number is 9. Root of 9 is 3. If you double the 3, you will get 9 as your divisor for further calculation. 13 minus 9 becomes 4. Your new divisor will be 48. Okay. So first root digit you are going to find out. After that, the second step is double the root digit and get the divisor. In the third step, the difference will be written at the left foot of the next digit. And now you are dividing 48 by 6. Okay, I'll get the quotient 7 and remainder 6. Okay, after this division, whatever quotient I am getting, For further calculation, it will go in the rhythm. Okay, so after getting a new quotient digit, you have to apply duplex for that number. Okay, now your new dividend is 67. 67 minus duplex of 7, that is 49. 67 minus 49 is 18. Now divide 18 by 6. You will get quotient 2 and remainder 6. Now you have new dividend 60. 60 minus duplex of 7 and 2. Here duplex of 7 and 2. Okay, that is 28. So you will get 32 as a difference. Divide this difference by 6. So you will get quotient 4 and remainder 8. I'll stop my calculation here till 3 decimal places. You can continue if you want to get more decimal places. Points to remember. So first thing, you had to make a group. Next thing, you have to take a divisor. Always double your first root digit. And next, subtract the duplex from your dividend before every division step. Okay. So the Dwandwa Yogaha Sutra makes even the most complex square roots manageable with just a bit of practice. To master this sutra, keep practicing and happy learning. See you in the next video with a new metric. Thank you for watching.